Hello, everything recruiting community. This is Larry Hernandez, and I wanted to show you an update I made this morning to one of the most popular RecruiterBits of all the 15 tools. And that's if you go to the left here, you'll see folders, right? And if you look under candidate matching, the job fit scorecard. I made a real simple update, but very useful. And it's because I'm using all these tools every morning. And whenever I find an issue, I'm like, oh, I need to add to that. So on this, really, you just need two pieces of information: a job description, whether you want to upload it or paste it, and a candidate, whether you want to paste their resume or their LinkedIn profile. And then you can always add some extra notes. But so what I'm going to do is, so you need a job description and you need a resume. So this morning, as I'm, kind of cleaning up my recs, as we all have to. I don't want to just send generic, hey, you're not a fit, right? So here, let me just paste this resume. I'm going to take away any phone numbers or emails just for security reasons, and I'm going to hit submit. Now, it's a little wonky the way all these tools work because it kind of scrolls down because it's actually analyzing. So just kind of give it some time, let it do its thing. And where I think this is so helpful on multiple purposes. So here we go. So now I've got a nice scorecard, which I've shown you before. It kind of tells you, does this person meet or not all the major things, right? But now you can just go to the comment section. And by the way, these tools here, it's important, if you liked it, hit thumbs up. If you don't, hit thumbs down. And sometimes it'll ask you why, because that's how these get trained. And you can always just copy your results to your ATS if you want, or to your manager. But here now you can hit the little comment button. And you're going to see it asks, would you like me to write an email to the candidate regarding their evaluation? Yes. So I'm going to hit yes. Yes. Use the scorecard. And on all these chatbots, each time you use the results, there we go. Perfect. Okay. So now I have, on my, hey, you're not qualified. Thanks for applying. You're not qualified. Now I've got I gave the strengths and the areas of improvement. So now I can just copy and paste this, put it in my ATS and send it away. So this is a really good way. I mean, we think of candidate experience as being nice and also being timely, but also being honest and saying, look, you applied. This is where, these are point for point, where they didn't match. Eventually, the ATSs will get with it and do this. But until they do, you can use RecruiterBits. All right. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions. And also, down here, there's added a support board so you can chat if you have problems. But remember, you have access to this. You have, I think, 10 to 15 free uses a month before you subscribe. So get in there and use it. Thanks.